Today, I'm going to be trying to 3D print a steam engine, but it's just going to be this big. So the 3D printer I got is the Bambu Lab A1. So far, I didn't have any issues and it's pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and print it. Should about take an hour and 42 minutes. Okay, all we gotta do now is wait. Okay, it is finished. Alright, now I just need to figure out how to put all this stuff together. Alright, I think it's done. I'm gonna try it in the morning. It's like 9:30 right now, so I better get to bed. Okay, so basically this thing is actually made to blow in. But when I blow in it, I don't have enough air to keep it going. So I'll just show you real quick. But I got a better idea. I'm gonna use the compressor. Hopefully it works. Okay, so I'm gonna throw some WD-40 in there. Should help it a little bit. Oh yeah. All right, let's test it out. Okay, I think that's all I have for today. If you want to 3D print the same steam engine as I did, the link will be in the description.